Everyone. I hope each and I hope each and everyone at your place is safe and doing well. I am Dr. Yogesh Shetty and I am having around 20 years of experience in diabetes and dermatology. And I practice in Goa. I practice in Margao city, which is in Goa state. Today we will understand diabetes and its manifestation in each. We all know how common is diabetes nowadays in general population. People with diabetes tend to experience itchy skin more often than those without the condition. Persistent itching can be uncomfortable and might lead to excessive scratching, which can cause infection, discomfort, and pain. Itching is often a condition or symptom of diabetes polyneuropathy, which is a condition that develops when diabetes leads to nerve damage. Certain skin condition that develops as a result of diabetes may also cause itchy skin. A person with diabetes should not ignore itchy skin. Dry, irritated, or itchy skin is often likely to become infected, and people with diabetes may not be able to fight off infections as successfully as those who do not have this condition. We will understand reasons why a person with diabetes might experience itching and offer tips on providing relief. What are the causes of diabetic itching? Diabetes can cause area of localized itching. There are several reasons why a person with diabetes might experience more frequent itching than others. Sometimes itching can result from damaged nerve fiber in the outer layer of the skin. Often the cause of diabetic related itching is diabetic polyneuropathy or peripheral neuropathy. These are complications of diabetes that develops when high blood glucose level causes damage to the nerve fibers, particularly those in the feet and hands. Before nerve damage starts to occur for people with diabetes, high level of cytokines circulates in the body. These are inflammatory substances that can lead to itching. Recent research suggests that increasing cytokines might eventually have a relationship with diabetic nerve damage. Sometimes persistent itching might indicate that a person with diabetes is at risk of nerve damage due to excessive cytokine levels, increasing cytokine levels. Many people also experience itching as a symptom after neuropathy develops. Seek medical attention if itching becomes persistent. People with diabetes can also experience complications including kidney or liver damage, which may also cause itching. Sometimes people with diabetes may develop itchy skin as an adverse effect of a new medication or have an allergic reaction to it. However, a person should not stop taking their medication. Very important this is until confirming with their doctor that they have experienced an allergic reaction. The doctor may prescribe a different medication or a replacement medication. People can also experience itching as a result of poor circulation. In this instance, itching is more likely to develop in the lower down region in the legs. Skin products that contains perfume, dyes, and strong soaps can also dry out the skin, leading to itchiness. The skin can also dry or become sensitive in winter. Normally in winter, because of cold, it hardly can become a bit dry and all. Diabetic skin condition, I will explain. Sometimes an underlying skin condition can cause itching. People with diabetes can get certain skin conditions and infections more easily than people who do not have diabetes. I will just elaborate a bit of examples like So examples of this includes fungal infection. Fungal infection such as athlete foot and jock itch can lead to itching. Skin can also become red, hot or swollen. Sometimes small blister develops and produces a liquid discharge. The itch-like fungus Candida albicans is often responsible for this infection. Necrobiosis lipoidica diabeticorum, which is spelled as NLD. This is a rare skin condition that typically develops on the lower legs, although it can also affect other part of the body. NLD starts as a dull red spot with a raised surface that develops into a scar-like lesion with dark borders. It can also cause pain and itching. That is eruptive xanthomatosis. More often in people with it happens more often in people with type 1 diabetes. This is a condition that forms yellow lesions on the skin that are about the size of peanuts. High cholesterol and fat level increases the risk of eruptive xanthomatosis. The spot often occurs on the leg, feet, hands, arms and buttocks. Every bump will have a red ring around it and might itch. Symptoms. The symptoms of itching vary and depends on the cause. For example, if a person has peripheral neuropathy, they are more likely to experience itching on the lower part of the legs. They may also experience a loss of sensation, usually in their hands and feet. A tingling sensation might accompany these symptoms. People with specific skin conditions or infections will itch at the site of spot or lesion. Itching can make a person feel uncomfortable in their clothes, wake them up in the night, disturb their sleep, and make them feel as if they always need to scratch. Always mention about your diabetic conditions when you meet your physicians. I think so. Itching should not be just taken lightly, and itching. So if you control your diabetes, these itching problems will be controlled to a lot of extent. Thank you very much. Thank you.